Alright guys, what is up? It's been a week since my last update video. In the last week I've been working a lot on the car, so there's a lot done to it since the last video that you guys saw. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. Alright, as you can see I got my 20-gallon fuel cell all mounted up. I have all my fuel system is all my lines are ran for that. I got my regulator and all that stuff. You guys aren't going to be able to see it. It's tucked into the car, and as you can see, this is sitting pretty low. So, but yeah, I still got to bolt up my trans. It's all the holes and everything are drilled, as you can see. I just got to put the bolts back in. I had it out. But yeah, got the engine in up here. Last time, I don't even think that, oh no, the heads weren't even on in the last video, I don't think. But yeah, here it is. Brackets all welded in. And got my intake on there. Went down to the junkyard and got all new, or I found a brand new Chevy Tahoe. Pulled the coils out of it and went ahead and ordered new spark plug wires, all new injectors. I think those are 65 pound. New fuel rails, all that stuff. I got the whole intake, just like one of the eBay intakes, but I didn't order the rails or the injectors off that, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. And over here, I went and did a run to the junkyard and picked up my, yeah, that thing. And my exhaust manifolds, which, I don't know if I'm going to be using those. I really want to get long tube headers, but I didn't want to drop the money because when I do switch to turbos, I'm just going to have to dump them. So, yeah, because you can't flip them over on these LS's. Especially with the long tubes, it hit here, and it hit all the plug wires and plugs, and yeah, it would be a mess. But yeah, oh, this is my power steering pump bracket and belt tensioner and stuff. But yeah, over here, I just got this in the mail, trans cooler, you can see, pretty nice. Got this from Durell. Nice. Here's my throttle body over here. I just need to, I want to throw this on the car right now. Make sure that everything's going to fit. But yeah, no, it's looking good. As you can see, there's my fuel system. We're going red, white, and blue on the fittings. Hell yeah, brother. But yeah, she's looking good. Sitting a lot lower now, though, so I'm going to have to, like, adjust some shit. But yeah, she is. It's a good thumbnail right there. It's a good thumbnail. There we go. Surprised I'm being able to make. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and throw this throttle body on there and see if it fits. Hopefully it will. Hey, I did something right. It fits. It's always nice. Supposed to be getting a 90. Sent me a 102. Told me to keep it anyways. So, it's great. But yeah, she's looking good. And ideally, by the end of tonight, I'm going to have the water pump on there, power steering pump, and I want to start measuring for my, steering column, or, yeah, steering column, because I'm going to have to notch it around some stuff, and, yeah, it might be a pain, but hopefully, I'm not sure yet if it's going to fit straight, but I think I'm going to have to put 1 or 2 joints in it, but that's fine. Now all I got to do is get my rear rack and pinion, and go ahead and measure for a drive shaft, get that in, and then I'm going to call Willwood and see what kind of price I can get on brakes for this thing. So there's kind of some weird brackets, which I don't know if any of you guys can tell me what these are. But yeah, I got to figure out what kind of calipers go on these. I know that they're set up for 4 discs in the front. But yeah, no, that's pretty much it. That's all I've done to the car since the last video, which, I mean, is a decent amount of stuff, but I'm just ordered my Holley Dominator and the whole wire harness kit for it, so that should be here in, I think, 3 days. So then I can go ahead and wire that up and put all that in there. And I'm going to order a radiator. I haven't decided exactly what size. I'm going to measure for that right now and go order it. And yeah, then I just got to do that because I can't mount my trans cooler until I mount the radiator first, because I got to make a larger bracket and then a bracket off of the larger bracket, and I can't make the bigger bracket until I have my radiator to measure off of. But yeah, so I just need to get that computer here, get all that wired up, put my radiator in. I mean, I could even start it without the radiator for now. I just want to hear it run. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.